Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Aimoon Wireless Carplay Adapter. A compact solution that transforms your wired CarPlay into a wireless experience. If you're tired of tangled cables and limited connectivity, this little device might just be the upgrade your car needs. Measuring just 2 inches by 3 inches and weighing only 1.44 ounces, the Aimoon adapter is built from aviation-grade aluminum alloy, giving it a sleek, durable finish while keeping it cool even on long drives. Its mini, nearly invisible design ensures it blends seamlessly into your car's interior without adding bulk. Compatibility is one of its strongest features. The adapter works with 98% of factory-installed CarPlay systems and supports iPhones running iOS 10 and later. For Android users, it also provides Android Auto functionality, making it a versatile two-in-one device. It comes with both USB and USB-C plugs to fit almost any vehicle port. And it's important to note that it only works with cars equipped with wired CarPlay from 2016 onwards. The Aimoon adapter uses dual-band connectivity, operating simultaneously on 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. This ensures faster data throughput and reduces packet loss, providing smooth, lag-free performance for audio, calls, and navigation. It also features smart side vent cooling technology that cuts operating temperatures by 50% compared to competitors, keeping the device cool during extended use. Setup couldn't be easier. Simply plug it in, pair via Bluetooth, and you're ready to go. The Smart Auto Reconnect feature remembers your device, connecting automatically every time you start the car. Aimoon also offers regular firmware updates through their web portal to ensure compatibility with the latest iOS versions and CarPlay enhancements. Inside the package, you'll find the adapter itself and a simple owner's manual. Despite its small size, it has been rigorously tested across over 5,000 vehicle models to guarantee stable and reliable connectivity. In summary, the Aimoon Wireless CarPlay Adapter is a sleek, powerful, and user-friendly device that removes the clutter of cables and brings wireless convenience to your car. Its combination of premium materials, advanced connectivity, and compact design makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their driving tech. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more hands-on reviews of the latest gadgets and car tech.